Alright guys, so welcome back. Please spend 5 minutes of your time and see what we're doing, what I am doing, something different. Now, this is Crypto Phil, and what I'm doing is I have a YouTube channel for how to make money in crypto, how to buy tokens, making passive income from crypto project. Now, what I find the passion is helping somebody else. What I'm doing is I'm taking profits from my money and I'm helping different people, poor people in India, Philippines, and Africa. This time we're going back to India, to one of my favorite places where we're helping to so many poor children who live outside. Okay, now we have a teacher. We're paying every single month a teacher, and thank you so much for the person who is doing this video and for everybody who is doing the video for me. Thank you so much. Now remember guys, I went to a crypto conference a week ago. Okay, a week ago. It depends when you're watching this video. And do you know what was very sad? Everybody talking about Lambo and changing the world with blockchain and crypto and Bitcoin going to the moon, but nobody spoke how to help the poor people in the world. And what is very, very sad. So I'm proud to say I am different, and I wish there are more people like me. See how these kids live. Okay, we got them so many balls, we got them clay, we got them book, and we share with them. Look the joy of their face. They only get little toys, little food, and look how much they are happy. Sometimes in life, remember, take a big step back and see where you are. Appreciate for what you have, and remember, more you give is more you receive. Everything in life. If you want to help, let me know. Okay, link is in the description if you want to donate something. If not, I still love you all. All right, goodbye. Let's watch the video. 3 minutes.
Thank you, Phil, for all your love and support. So we are again here today. So now we are starting with the activity of, colorful clay. The teacher is distributing clay to the children. Now children will draw some creative shape with the colorful clay. After which we will distribute notebooks to all of them. And today is a big surprise football for all these kids, with the support of Phil. Thank you. And at last we will be distributing snacks, chips and biscuits. It is great learning session going on. Now the teacher is distributing notebook to each individual. Now it's time to distribute pencils to each kids. All kids are busy in molding their creativity with the clay. Another creativity molded by this girl. Beautiful art. Another beautiful creation by this beautiful kid. Amazing. Now time to bring more smile to the kids. The teacher is distributing football to every child. Thank you, Phil, for making their day memorable and blissful. A beautiful clay creativity by this girl. Nice. Appreciative. They have started playing. So after So after a productive learning session, now it's time to distributing snacks to each kids. So it was a wonderful day with all the kids. Finally, it's time to leave. Thank you, Phil, once again. Bye.